In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create illustrated storyboards with Google Gemini. We'll start by opening Google Gemini on your device. You can use the website at gemini.google.com or launch the Gemini app on mobile. Once you're in, look for the Creative Tools area and head into the Storybook or Storyboard feature. This is where Gemini's AI is set up to translate your ideas into visual frames. Next, add your story details. In the text box, paste your script, a scene-by-scene outline, or a clear prompt that describes the setting, characters, actions, and mood. The more specific you are, the better the results. To guide the look and continuity, you can also upload reference photos or files, things like character sketches, props, or location images. A helpful approach is to separate scenes with short headers and include hints like wide shot, close up, or dramatic lighting to shape the composition and tone. Now it's time to generate. Use the storyboard prompt to let Gemini convert your text into illustrated frames. The AI will produce cinematic panels that match your scenes, and you can request multiple images to cover different shots within the same moment. If consistency matters, keep repeating the same character and style descriptors across your prompts so the visuals stay coherent from frame to frame. Take a careful look at what Gemini creates and refine as needed. If a frame isn't quite right, adjust your wording, clarify the action, specify camera angle or time of day, or ask for a different art style and generate a new version. Small tweaks often make a big difference. Aim for continuity in costumes, color palette, and character features so your storyboard reads smoothly as a sequence. When you're happy with the results, download the images to your device. Organize them in scene order and use clear file names so you can find everything later. If you want to build a more polished preview, import the images into editing software such as CapCut. There, you can arrange the panels on a timeline, add a temporary voiceover or captions, and even create a simple animatic to test pacing and flow. Beyond storyboards, you can also use Gemini to generate fully illustrated storybooks from your prompts and reference photos. It's a fast, approachable way for filmmakers, animators, educators, and content creators to bring ideas to life with minimal manual drawing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.